Hi guys, welcome to Gavin's World. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell for notifications and like this video. So today we are gonna shrink Doritos bags in the microwave, and this first one came out perfect. And this is our last one that we think came out good. And let's get started.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go to the microwave. Open it. But don't do this by yourself, kids. Let parents ask for permission and they have to watch you. We are gonna start with the Cheetos. Let's put it in. Do this for 6 seconds.
Alright, hold on.
Back up. We're gonna shrink. Ooh!
Alright. Don't touch that.
Yeah, don't. Kids don't touch it. Parents touch it. Oh my god, it's hot.
Actually, it's not that bad.
Ooh! That came out good, Mom.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, it's still very hot. Here, you go with this.
There it is. If you want it to be good, just stretch it out.
Still hot.
Ooh! There comes the good.
Alright, let's put that up there.
Good, guys.
You could do another one.
So now we're gonna do Cheetos Puffs.
Not yet. No. What are you doing? This is why you need a parent here.
Yeah, this is why you. Oh, dang.
That one stayed really big.
Oh, it's good. Keep it. It looks good, right, guys? The bottom looks really good. Look at it, guys.
Oh, that came out pretty good.
It's perfect.
You guys will get to see them all at the end.
Yep, you get to see them all at the end. Put it up there. Got it. Here's the next bag. Next bag is pencils.
Pretzels.
And we're gonna do it. Okay. And
Ooh, that one looked a little scary.
yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
How tiny is that one?
Yeah, look how tiny that one is. It's so tiny.
It didn't do so good though.
Right?
It seems like the Doritos bags are the ones that do the best. And I like how Cheetos too.
Yeah, Cheetos looks.
Doritos, well, no, you know what? I don't know. I take it back because Doritos are 50-50.
Yeah, there's 50-50.
All right, what's next?
Next is Sun Chips. This is gonna be good.
Hold on. Don't do it yet.
Ready?
Okay.
My God.
Let's see.
Ooh! That one looks good.
This one came out really good.
Right?
Well, I don't know because there's
Let me see.
some burn holes in it, but
It looks good. There it is. Guys. This
Hold on.
looks so nice. Next bag is Smart Food. Popcorn, white cheddar cheese.
don't press it yet.
Back up on it. Cause
Uh-oh, you see that one's still. Oh, see, this is why you need a parent.
Yeah,
This is crazy.
Because it was like fire. Smart food. Stretch that one out.
Alright.
Ooh,
Okay. What's
next
next?
one is Doritos
Nacho cheese?
nacho cheese.
Alright, let's see.
That one came out like
Oh, I don't think this one came out
that
so
came
good.
out like that one.
Yeah. Open it up.
Oh.
Oops, sorry.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Don't touch that. Alright, what's next? You have one more?
Last one. Doritos Cool Ranch.
Cool
I
Ranch.
love these. I really love these so much. This is a. Oh.
Oh.
It's bending.
Yeah.
Oh, this one came out bad.
Oh, man.
Dang.
It folded up. I don't think I can. It's really hot. Here, hold this really quick.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So much. She's getting it. See if she can.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I really can't, Gav.
Gosh. That one's gonna be ruined. No.
See, it's way too hot. Well, this is going to be a cool one. Yeah, you can't do it. That was the last one?
Yep.
So let's pick them up. Don't pick up the last
Oh my
one.
gosh. First one. Cheetos. Crunchy.
Okay. Yep, you can see it right here.
Next is Cheetos Puffs.
What's the next one?
Next one is gold.
Rolled
Gold
gold
pretzels.
pretzels.
Oh, this
Next one?
is Sun Chips.
Sun chips. Next one?
Smart Food White Cheddar. And next is Doritos. Dorito nacho cheese. And the last one is still hot, but it's Cool Ranch.
Oh,
It's messed up.
I know.
Okay, so guys, this is all the things, the chip bags we did. And so, comment down below if you think one of these or all of these are good. Wait, just messed it up. So, I'm gonna say this one more time. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications, like this video. Bye!